This weekend, we went to Bear Mountain State Park in New York, and the first thing that we did was go through the zoo. And I'll be honest, I didn't even really know there was a zoo in the state park. We used to go here as kids for camp and for field trips, but the memories are totally slipping. Although I didn't know what to expect, the zoo did not disappoint. It was also a great hiking trail as well. So pack those shoes and be comfortable, potentially bring the stroller, but get ready for breathtaking views. There's also a pool, and you can also hit the carousel afterwards. But all in all, pack some food and make a day of this. Bear Mountain Park is truly a beautiful place to go.